Hey, Crocodam. Hello. How's it going? Peaceful. Right, my text here. All right, so that actually jumped significantly, the earnings there. So we now have $5.31 from ad revenue. Not too bad for my first couple days, I could say. What's up, Anish? GM, good morning. Good morning. good night for me. It's literally 10:36 p.m. I meant to start 30 minutes ago, but I got distracted by a couple things. Got announced nothing. I'm just trying to bring up some stuff that I need to use here. Kind of hot over here too. Here we sec. Oh, cool. That's good. Keep studying. Today is, well, it's again continuous practice, but here, I'll write it down specifically what it is. You're doing API work, and I think do try too much. Sorry about that. Oops, my bad. I've just updated today's activity, APIs and do try catch. We're gonna try and go over that. Sorry, I'm sniffling a lot. Didn't realize it was so loud. Sorry about that. I'm only on my laptop today. Can't be bothered setting up my keyboard and stuff. I don't know. I'm in the laptop mood, you know. So we're gonna do APIs and some do try catches. I'm just gonna bring up Grok here, because he's given me like what the best way is to do this. I'm getting Grok to help me out here with the doing some Web3 research today. I have no idea what that is. Good luck. Sounds interesting. You know what? I'm not surprised because India is one of the countries that what's the word? That kind of sought after programming so much. Like so many, I feel like it's one of the nations that does the most programming, right? Because it's one of the most like accessible perhaps. I'm thinking that's probably why. One of the most accessible yeah. The car is going amazingly so far. The only thing I wish is that it had a little bit bigger battery. I'm fine. I mean, it's totally fine. I'm just saying, if I could have anything, I'd have it. Well, there you go. I mean, why did you pursue programming? Sorry if the music's too loud. I'm trying to figure this out. I'm gonna write a note here. It came to me. Cause you're in India. Are you in India? I just assumed you were in India. I'm gonna make I'm gonna pin it. Fuck, I can't click at anything. Need to add here. I'm pinning this message today because when I'm studying, I'm completely off the chat. I can't see it. I'm using one screen tonight. Not entire India, but I'm Indian. You are India. I meant, are you in India? Yes, I'm in India. Well, now we know. Oh, interesting. Whereabouts are you going to Australia? In Australia. Oh, that's awesome. I'm actually going to Melbourne soon too. I'm going in, I forget which month. I have to check actually. A couple months from now, I think. Hey, Lost. Haha. Could be. Could be same timing, man. That's so random. How are you, Lost? Just realized I need to plug in my laptop. Oops. I'm a little bit hot at the moment, but good. Sorry, I just realized you guys. I was just having a look at Grok. I think it's kind of set up something for me. Here, oh shit, what have I done? No, what have I done? Hold on, I've messed it up now. Okay. You know what? Let's use Claude actually. All right, here we go. We're gonna get some help from. Dude, I did not want it to write the entire code for me. Create a custom image loader. Hold on. Oh no, Claude's overloaded now. What the hell? Claude, you're useless. You know what? Let's go over to Gemini. Screw Claude. Claude's messed up. Gemini's good at this. Look at this. Likely won't be called Swift Xcode 26. That's so funny. Doesn't know Xcode 6 is released. What the hell? See, look. Straight away it teaches better. Let's run with this. Hold on. Did you say something? Okie dokie. Oh wait, no. I forgot my drink. LOL. I gotta start drinking lemon water again. Stop getting so fat. There we go. I realize my coding addiction has significant. Oh, sorry. What the? Why is? Oh, there we go. Why is it so big? Oh, it's because. Right. It's because the damn thing. I usually use the other screen, right? Well, I'll just set it up here. Yeah, I realize my coding addiction is like I just end up doing this or gaming or something or something else that distracts me instead of going to do a workout or a walk. Top of that, I'm drinking vanilla Coke, so okay. Well, let's see here. I could probably shrink this down, make it a bit bigger. There we go. That works, right? Let's skip this song. Let's open our demo photo API downloader. to be able to see this, don't you? Application capture. Here we go. And again, it's too big. Sorry about that. Ooh. Maybe a second screen is better in general. Maybe I'll just shrink this down here, like that. Should be fine. And then maybe I'm a bit big, aren't I? Oh, dude, I'm sorry, I can't translate again with that post mood. I can't. It's hello. Hello. How do you say it?
Привет. Привет.
Привет. Привет. Привет, Post Moon. If I can speak English, I'm doing great. How are you doing? I'm ready to start here. I'm excited. Let's do this. Let's do this. All right. Foundation for all network-related tasks in iOS. We'll use it to fetch data from the image URL. UI image. Apple's class for representing image data will convert the download data into UI image. Image. You can take UI image. You know what? I need to quickly let's look. I need to look at the practice coding because I need to see if this displayed a UI image. Oh, it did. We did do a UI image here. Okay. Cool. Let me open that up again. SwiftUI view image is a view that displays images. You can take UI image via image UI image. Representing image data. Async image. One modern SwiftUI view specifically designed for loading and displaying images from a URL. Ah! Including built-in placeholder and error handling capabilities. Whoa! Often the easiest and preferred method for simple cases. Oh, that's exactly what we want. Async image. Here we go. Swift's async image is the simplest and most robust solution as it handles loading states, caching, and basic error placeholders automatically. Implement async image directly into your SwiftUI view. Oh, is that it? Oh my god. So we set a variable to the image URL. And then we use that URL. Wait, async image URL of type URL string. Image URL, which is a type string. Phase in, switch on phase, case.empty, image is not yet loaded, loaded. Show a placeholder. Can you guys actually see that okay? I have a weird feeling that it's even smaller on the... Yeah, that's better. We can make it actually smaller. There you go. Cool. AsyncImage. So it has an empty case, progress view, success case, let image. Assuming it's loaded successfully, we create the variable, and then we use the variable to display. It's displayed here, I guess. Failure, let error. If an error occurs, show this. So if it's successful, create an image and show it here. Just show it straight up. Paste it here. Because image becomes, what does it become? This. The link, I guess. Okay. Let's do it then. Let's create this. So that's actually super simple. So we can actually delete this. Delete this image view. Let's just do it so simply like they did. Just to start, that's what we want. So let URL equal, oh shoot, I lost the, what have I done? I need to grab the that thing, pick some. Here we go. I lost the URL. Copy link. Here we go. Async image URL. Content and placeholder. Oops. Okay, let's look back again. What are we doing? URL of string image URL. Okay, that straight up worked. Okay, so it auto randomly gives it, but but we can do a phase in thing here. That's not gonna work, is it? No. Case dot empty. Do we have to do a return? Do we have to do a return? So we can just add that there. That's cool. Didn't know that. So you have phase in, and you switch on that phase, and the phases have empty, success, and failure. But okay, that's one way to do it. But I just want to look at this here. Async image. What is this content placeholder part? URL string. URL string. URL string. Here it is. Image in placeholder. Switch on image. Case dot. Does this work? No, it doesn't work. So let's ask Gemini how this works. Trailing closure receives an async image phase enum, which tells current state of the image loading process. Okay. Here's the manual download, I guess. By the way, did Discord update that I'm live? Quickly check here. I think it did. It did, yay! Awesome. Okay. Let me. Okay, here we go. So this takes it out of the view, right? Or is it do you think it's possible to put this into a function? That returns an image or async image, maybe? Probably, right? Foundation. This is all the errors handling. Here's this thing that pulls it out, the HTTP response thing. Load image. Where did it put load image? Do? Check for HTTP status code. Optional but good practice. That's a common thing to do. Self.error equals unknown. Self.is loading equals false. Return. Guard 299 contains status code else self error. Convert data to UI image. Let UI image equal UI image data data. So let data and response equal try await URL session. Create SwiftUI to display the image and handle states. If image loader is loaded, the is loading approach view. Where did they place the is loading thing actually? Oh, image loader dot is loading right there. Okay. Could you pull the async image out into a function and let's say return the image? Or would it be like this? Return UI image. So you can't. Maybe we have to ask specific. This is a better answer. Huh. View model layer. But I'm talking specifically about sync image feature that handles errors. See, using the phase enum that be pulled out to function or service file. Phase is tied to AsyncImage view builder. Okay. So it can't be done. Wrap it within its own custom SwiftUI view struct that allows you to encapsulate display logic, promote reusability, run it clear API custom view can expose parameters like repeating these things. Yeah, okay, that's what we would want, right? Ideal size. Remote image view. URL. Right, so you'd be able to reuse it by separating it out into a struct type view, and then it will become a view. So let's let's do that then. Well, let's figure out how this works first. How does it work with the Oh, dude, that's way easier. Holy shit, dude, anyone can code with this information here. Async image. URL content placeholder. Can I put that there? Just curious. No, you can't. URL. Wait, that's not right either. Hold on. URL string type string URL. Just name this URL. Image in. How would you display it then? Like just put image. Does that work? Oh yeah, it does. Okay. It's so easy. Anshuman, John, why did I see an ad when I clicked on the stream? Because we are over 1,000 subscribers. We're monetized, dude. You didn't realize that yet? You hadn't seen that? We made it. We literally made it. Notice the subscription thing is different now? You can see how much I've made with ads. Thank you, man. I couldn't have done it with without the hundreds of, is it hundreds? Yeah, like hundreds of people who subscribe to me after, you know, as I've been doing this. So, but yeah, so you guys can see how much I'm actually earning from ads there. And I know, it's crazy. I'm never gonna eat a McChicken. Let's get to $10 and then we'll talk $12 and we'll talk about a Betty's burger at that point. But yeah, man, like $5.31 in a couple days is pretty good. And then Crocodam is also supporting me, so technically I've earned like $8, but as far as like the ads go, that's what I'm kind of focusing on in terms of like how much I'm actually earning for everyone to see. Yeah, I haven't, well, I'm out of money at the moment, so I haven't really been able to celebrate properly, even with my fiance, because I just bought my car. So, and then there was a couple you know, things I had to buy after that, which I didn't realize. So yeah, we're kind of running low, but we're working and we're getting there. $5 helps. Crazy. Actually succeeded in the goal. It's awesome. So yeah, hopefully if we start earning enough, we can definitely quit Uber Eats. That's why I'm showing how much I'm earning, because you can see how realistic it would be for me to do that. I know. We were praying. And then this new goal, by the way, here, it's not, it says unexpected goal because I obviously don't expect anyone to like become a member or anything. That's obviously all up to anyone who wants to support. But oh, did it just give you an ad? Missed a chunk of what you said. Oh. Oops. I guess I'm earning too much money right now. Sorry. um Sorry, it was because of did you hear what I said about the car? Because I bought my new car, I had to pay for a bunch of other stuff. So I don't have any money, couldn't celebrate properly. And then this new goal here. Okay, yeah. So the other thing I said was this new goal here on the screen. It says unexpected goal because it's like I obviously don't expect people to pay money to support me. Like that's all up to your own prerogative. So I just calculated it out just for something to put on the screen there for a goal. If I got that many members to subscribe, then I could actually genuinely quit Amazon. Because at that point, I'd be earning more per month than what I earn in Amazon. But yeah, we'll see. I actually have an Amazon shift tomorrow. Please, no. Maybe I'll like, okay, I didn't choose the ad situation, but I think I can lower the amount of ads that come on the stream. I chose like the balanced option, so I don't know. It just apparently YouTube assumes the right. Clearly, it doesn't assume the right moments to put ads, but it's supposed to. No, I don't. I think you can. I think what you can do is you can choose like if you want more ads, a medium amount of ads, or less ads, and that's it. I'm pretty sure that's it. There might be a custom. I think there is a custom option, but I don't remember what the options are on there. I literally just left it at balance because I didn't know what it was gonna do, to be honest. And I'm pretty. I get I also get money from like YouTube Premium as well, because that obviously skips. And also, what happened? Did the ad come up and you couldn't hear it? Could you still see me? Or what was the situation? It was like a full screen ad? Oh, yes. Oh, wait a second. Wait a second. 1 second. Let me check that real quick. Cuz you just made me realize there might be something like, well, it's not an announcement, but let me see real quickly here. That just made me think of something. Okay. Wait, is this... where's the... There's some sort of manual option here. But... Here we go, hold on. You can manually select all mid-roll ad breaks. Ah, okay, hold on. So I could actually... No, the ad just stopped the stream and forced me to buy adult diapers. What the? Rejoined when you finished the sentences. I was able to text. Wait, what? Oh, it should give you, that's annoying. It should give you, like, the side by side. Okay, so turns out I can actually do manually. So what I might do is, because that's a good idea, for less disruption, I might just like every so often I might be like, guys, I'm gonna chuck an ad on. Or like I'll even turn on the break. I'm taking a break system. I don't know. Probably good for my health, that one. But I can insert an ad manually, so I can just be like, guys, I'm just gonna chuck in an ad here, and then I'll just stop talking, and then you guys can like let me know. Yeah, and then let me know when you're back as well. Make more chat interaction. Speaking of, can I change that right now? I think I can. Insert ad manually. Mid-roll ads manually. Okay, here we go. All right, so I can. It's now manual, so I have full control. I never want to watch an ad during a live stream again. Looks like you're not gonna be watching me anymore. I feel like it's a decent alternative to you know, like people giving money to the creator when YouTube kind of just does it with the ads. I feel like that's kind of fair. Yeah, that'd be cool. Yeah, if you want to do that, we can see what it looks like. Here, I'll trigger an ad real quick. How do I do that on here? The system went away. What the hell? Oh, here we go. No, here it is. All right, here we go. Insert ad. So I'm gonna click this button. It's on. Apparently, it's connected in OBS. So 3, 2, 1. Here we go. Did it go? Oh, really? Okay. How long was it? Was it like 30 seconds? No, less than that, right? 5 seconds, okay. Only 5 seconds. Okay, cool. And skippable. Oh, skippable after 5 seconds, okay. Right, here we go. Okay. Yo. Dude. We're popping off with the tech ads here. That's a higher RPM. That's awesome. Surely we're gonna be rich in no time, right? Surely. That's cool. I should like, yeah. You know what? I should set a set up a bot. I don't know if you even can, but I should try and set up a bot that does like a countdown to ads, and then it like tells me to do one. That would be good, and then I would stop talking as well. No, you get paid for views, I believe, as well. Almost positive. But you get paid more if someone clicks on it. Yeah, I need a bot announcer ad. I need an ad bot announcer. Wait, an ad announcer bot. That's what I need. And where's my take a break function here? Start a break. Oh yeah. So the breaks, I'll use the break system as well because it gives me like up to 5 minutes of break time, which is ad time, and then I mean that'd be pretty good for me to incorporate. I think like just for me to step away for a minute. I think that's good. What's Pomodoro ad? Is that a bot? Is that an actual bot? Should build an extreme Pomodoro app, but for ads instead of study breaks. Oh yeah, right. Is it okay? True, I should build that. But what's the main difference? Just ads, right? Copy the Pomodoro app. You know what? I literally should. I literally should use some of the code from my my stretching app, which has the timer in it, to make the app. Oh, that was so easy. If it doesn't download, if it doesn't display, it just straight up. This is so easy. Why was I having such a problem before? It's so small though. That looks decent. Basically just a timer. Yeah, okay. Well, I'll just make a timer then. I'll make a timer app. What if we dot shadow? It's gonna look weird. Let's do let border color type primary, right? Border color. Does that work? Nice. Looks good. Man, I was so surprised. Like the last couple streams, I've had like 30 people in here. I'm surprised there's not many people in here right now. Based on the previous recently, just so many people have been coming in. I don't know, maybe it's the weekend. Who just saw a video of two dudes who used Claude to recreate lovable AI. And it made me realize how much of an advantage you would have if you actually learned how to code. Like in combat of AI, you mean? Or using AI to do it? Well, that was cool. Instead of doom prompting. Oh yeah, we're spending. Oh yeah, true. Dude, doom prompting. Oh my god. Hey, Danny. Not much. How you doing? Please fix this insert error. Yeah. True. Yeah, true. Have the AI write it and then you have full control after that. Cool, this makes it actually look pretty cool. So we can actually do a for each one dot dot 4 image in. Can we do this? I don't know. I'm just throwing it in there. Wait. No. Hold on. I've definitely done this wrong. Okay, Mimor. You want some help with that? Oh, just that one? Doom prompting is a new term. We have coined it. It actually sounds like so accurate. Doom prompting. It's just like doom scrolling. I'm glad you're doing good, Donnie. What are you up to? Anyways. Good night, brother. See you next time. Thanks for coming in. Coming. We're making it work. We're making it work. Slowly. Let me just alright guys, I'm setting up a break real quick. So let me do that one sec. Oops. Yeah, it's true. You want this one, please? Hey Judah, it's ASMR time. Actually, I'm gonna type now because my fiance is sleeping. I gotta go soon too, but I'll be here for a little bit. Nsikilelelo. Mailoa. Sorry, I butchered your name, but thank you for your subscription. Thank you. Hey, what's up, TP Gaming? Ah. Right. What? Wait, what? Wait a second. Does it? Random query parameter to each. Let images type URL. Wait, how would you implement that? Right. Equals URL string. URL in async URL up. Right. Makes sense. Now I get it. Oh wait, maybe I didn't need to do that. Wait a second. Wait, it's not wrapped though. this optional? Yeah, it is optional already. Okay. Interesting. Maybe we just do this. And then set. That doesn't work either. Oh, oops. I love chilling with you guys and writing code. Just seeing, testing here. So you can't separate it out. You have to. Alright guys, I'm not gonna do it. I'm just reading, so I'm gonna chuck in an ad here. So you won't miss anything. Here we go. No, but it should be coming differently. Generate new URLs. In 3 equals 3. Image URLs equals 0. Listen count map. Right. Can I actually put the random thing in there? Does it actually work? Let's see. Okay, it does work. It does work. Okay, let's do that. Whoops. Let's copy that and just paste it. There you go. What the? How's it going over there? What the hell? So weird. Holy shit. Oh, I know why. Stupid silly me. The URLs, that's the, yeah, there we go. There we go. Whoops. My bad. My beat. Let's bring that back. Okay, let's delete that. Let's get rid of this. For now. So that creates 3 random images, right? Well, we only want 2, to be honest. At the moment. We want 2 rows of 2. There we go. Here we go. Nice. Dot frame. Yeah, that's better. Yeah, that's better. Maybe 175? Seems good. Yeah, 50. There you go. 75. Oh yeah, nice, nice. That's good. So what would we use to refresh that? Generate new URLs. 3. Image URLs equals 0. Less than count. Dot map. Underscore in. So it makes 3 of those things. Does it remove them though? Does that not add more? If image URL is empty. Oh, right. Okay, yeah, I think I know what we need to do. So we need a function. Get random image URL, returns the URL. No, refresh images. So what's it gonna return? It's gonna return something? No, so we want this. There you go. Append. This thing here, image URLs. Do a map. It adds it. Let's see what it says. Reiterate count 3 times. Yeah. Oh. Wait, what? Assigns this new array to state property. What new array? Pick some new array. So 3 times. We count. We map it. And it adds 3 of these, I guess, or whatever you want. Let's try. Array repeating URL string. Okay. Wait, no. Hold on. But it's not. It's not different now. Huh. The hell? Needs to be there. So refreshing ads. Too many. Okay. I see. Oh wait, but it has to be random, right? It was the wrong thing. Here you go. Let's see now. Fresh. Oh yeah, nice. If it's empty. If images is empty, then we want to button. What do you do? Action label. Text. Test. Test. Okay, so. Oh no. We need a separate property. If it's empty, refresh. Add. Otherwise, refresh. Oh yeah, nice. Does it reset them though? I think it does. Yo, so good. It's not loading them, but nice. That works. If is empty. Refresh images. Should we add images? It's really not loading it. Well, just want to load. There you go. Cool. So if images is empty, whoa, what the hell happened to my finger? Did I burn it or something? So weird. Hello, Payne. Hi. How's it going? Let's get this padding. It's kind of up top. 50. Add. Becomes refresh. Doesn't want to load. But basically, yeah. Okay. It works. That works. So if it's right, so if it's empty, we want to, what do we want to do? So this adds it to the thing and resets it by mapping, I guess. Add images. More. If images dot is empty, all right, guys, I'm gonna chuck on an ad real quick. Not gonna go crazy here. If it's empty. How do we? So if it's empty, we want to. I need to clarify. What does dot map actually do here? Oh. Oh, right, okay. Map. Call map. Okay. If count is 3, 3, 0, 2. into a new array. Oh. Okay. Right. That's cool. That's cool. So if it's empty, you can add 2 images. If it's empty, you'll add. Now this will append. So that changes the images by refreshing. But what if we wanted to append instead? Probably a dot append count, right? Append new. Right. Ah, okay. So where do you put that? Oh yeah. If it's not empty. Let new images equal 0 less than count, right? So we want to generate new ones, right? So dot map in random, yes, and then images dot append new images, right? Is that right? I think so. Does your add more, right? Oh yeah, it works. Okay. But right, it's displaying in an H stack though. An H stack for each. Right. So when we add more, it goes horizontally. Or we need a grid. Let's for each 0 and 2, make an H stack. What if I put this in a V stack? If that works. What if we put the button in there too? So you can make more, but you can't. It's fucked. And it goes horizontally. for each 0 and 2, create a or make a grid instead. Grid row. Okay, no, it keeps going horizontally. We want to make 2 per each, and 2. We want to make 2 grid rows. But why are they going horizontally only? In and count at state var count int equals 0 equals 2. And plus equals 1. Here we go. Will this work? No. If images is not empty, count plus equals 1. Non-constant range argument must be an integer literal. It must be? Really? Okay, so I can't do that then. Or let's see, just curious, can I let, does that work? Non-constant range argument must be an integer literal. That's weird. Okay, I can't do that then. 2, a literal integer. I don't get this. What the hell? Bro. What is going on? Let's see what AI says. Is there a grid column? No. Oh, maybe because it's making them in here. Maybe I need to do, what was that? Maybe this one? Okay. Right, so that makes them horizontal. Grid row. Rows. 2. No. Grid row. Makes. Oh, now we put this into an H stack, right? Is that right? No. That didn't work. Let's see what it says here. So I'm getting confused now. Outer for H just creates exactly 2 grid rows. So I need to move the for each. Oh, so I need to. Total number of images. Images is empty. Equals images dot is empty. Whoa. Grid 4 images count plus 1 divided by 2. Wait, that actually works? In the grid for each. So we take out this for each, right? In the grid for each. And we use less than images dot count plus 1 divided by 2 row index in grid row for each column index let image index row. Oh, this is getting way more complicated now. I mean, not complicated, but this is way more involved. Calculate the actual index in the images array. Safely access the image URL if it exists. If image index is less than images count, let image URL equal images image index. Async images URL image placeholder else. Why would it give me all that? I think it overshot it there, to be honest. That was overshot. For each in images, make a grid row of wait, what if I have a grid row up here? Still makes it horizontally. Oh, because it adds it into this one grid row, right? So it's gotta be down there. Gotta make a grid row for. It's gonna multiple issues. What? Oh, what happened there? Okay. So right now it works, but it needs two side by side. But if I did it side by side, it would populate with the same images, right? Oh no, it works. Hold up. More. It works. Okay. Double image. Oh, okay, for each images. Let me go and do it for each. For each 0 to 5. Let's put AsyncImage in there. But we only actually want two here, right? This should work. It should be randomized. Yes, it works. It works, guys. Oh my god. So we're gonna put this one, push it into a scroll view. Add more. It works. Guys, it works. Oh my god. It works. It really works. See, look, that's all I needed. This is why I hate AI. It makes things overcomplicated every freaking time. That's why I hate it. Look at this. Look at all this garbage in here. All this. Stupid idiot. Idiot AI. I've done it just here, simply. It's crazy how. And let's use toolbar item. Let's use dot toolbar. Placement content dot bottom bar. It's gonna be this button here. There you go. Add more. Look at that. That looks so good. Oh my god, look at the glass feature of that. So good, guys. It's so good. Finally, some action. That's a good photo. The hell? A lot of them aren't loading, but yeah, nice. There we go. They're saving uniquely. Okay, cool. Awesome. So glad I figured that out. That's so simple to download an image now. Alright, guys, I'm going to end my stream there. I have to get to bed. I'm going to get up early again. So, man, happy with that success there. And AI, again, is useless. So thank you so much for watching, guys. Much appreciated. And I'll see you all again tomorrow night if you guys want to come on. Maybe I can get on in the morning too. Don't quote me on that. I might have to do something else, but I'll definitely be on tomorrow night. All right, see you guys. Bye. Take care.